After questioning 1,000 computer science students, 70% of them said they are struggling to find a decent job in the IT industry. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप try नहीं कर रहे हो, but all you need is a proper skill set and guidance. Now the problem is, there are lots of expensive courses and gurus in the market जो आपको 100% job guarantee promise करते हैं. But the secret you need to know is you require the right skill set, mentorship and confidence to get a high-paying tech job as a fresher. If you want to know how to get a decent salary job in future tech like data science, AI, data analytics, cloud computing, and full-stack web development, join our free masterclass with our industry experts to know what are the exact industrial requirements to get a high-paying job. Click on the link below or contact us at egggrow.in or call at 920-906-0258.